If you are considering expanding your company to Brazil, this video is for you. Here at Amorim, we are expert in international law, and we help foreign companies enter and operate in Brazil with legal, accounting, and tax security. In this video, we will show you everything we offer, from open a company to regularizing visas for international executives and employees, and why expanding to Brazil requires planning. We offer complete support so your company can operate smoothly with opening subsidiaries or branches, fiscal address and legal representation, incorporation into the Brazilian legal and financial system, international transfers and resources, and consulting the contracts with the parent company. We take care of all the bureaucratic and legal steps so you can focus on growing your operation. Our legal and accounting team works side by side with your company, with corporate structuring suited to your business model, drafting and reviewing commercials and service supervision contracts, monthly accounting aligned to Brazilian standards, strategic accounting planning from the beginning, and all of this with focus in compliance and tax efficiency. Avoiding labor risks is essential. This is why we offer structuring and revealing employment and services position contracts, supporting in hiring and labor compliance, complete guidance in Brazilian labor legislation. We guarantee legal security for both the company and its employers and services providers. If your expansion involves bringing an international talent, we can help with labor rights, obtaining work visas, strategic migration planning for executives and their families, regularization, and guidance with Brazilian agencies. We serve multinational companies with a focus on speed, legality, and security. Correct entry in the Brazilian tax system is essential to avoiding future problems. Our services include analysis of tax applicable to your operation, international tax planning, accounting guidance aligned with the requirement of Federal Revenue Services. We work to ensure tax efficiency and full compliance with the legislation. LDPD, LGPD, it means compliance with the General Data Protection Law. Every company operating in Brazil must be adapted to LGPD, the General Data Protection Law. We help your company to implement privacy and data protection policies, create documents and processes in accordance with the law, compliance and corporate governance. We offer a structuring of international policies to ensure the ethics and transparency of your operation, code of conduct and business ethics, implementation of reporting channels, and integrity and compliance programs. Good governance avoids regulatory risks and strengthens your company's reputation. So you want to bring your company to Brazil with legal and accounting security? Talk to our experts right now. Access the link on the description, send your question, or schedule your personalized consultation.